Here we got the Ryobi.
Ryobi A25RT03 router table. Does not come with the router. I bought the router separately and installed it. It's under the table. See, I've got the bit in there, and you can see the wood that I've cut. So you feed it in this direction. There's a little bar here if you want to put something that's got a fence here, so that you can steady stuff. And everything comes with it except the router. So it's basically the table, the square there.
It looks like you've got a feature where you can hook a dust collection system up if you wanted to.
You can hook a dust collection system up to it, absolutely. So 16. It's about 14¼ inches tall. Like I said, 32. It's got a safety feature. You can pop this out if you don't want anybody turning it on. That'll turn it on. I don't think it's not plugged in, but that'll turn it on.
How long's that cable?
There's two outlets here, so the router's actually plugged into this outlet, and then that way you can control it from here. There's another outlet here. I don't have anything on that. And then you just plug this unit into the wall, and you're good to go. It's a little bit tough to adjust the height because there is a way to adjust the router height from the top, but the router that I bought for this is compatible with it, but it didn't have that option. So I have to actually go under here and adjust the height, which is a little bit. So if you can find a router that works with the top adjusting, I highly recommend it.
That is the Ryobi A25RT03 table router.
Yeah.